Hi Gems, welcome to Gemeria Hair channel. I'm Akanksha Upadhyay and today I'm going to teach you a very pretty hairstyle for your Indian kurta look. Let's start with the basic. Comb your hair to detangle. Now take two thick strands from the front on both the sides and tie rest of your hair at the back. Now divide the strand into two strands and roll them like a spiral rolling. Tie it with a rubber band at the end. Do the same for the other side as well. Now divide the strand on one side into two strands again. Tie them at the end with the help of a rubber band. Now take all the hair along with the strands and make a ponytail at the back. Now flip it inside out and give your hair a final touch. You're ready to rock. That's all for today. I hope you really liked this video. Do let me know in the comment section below and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, recreate this hairstyle and don't forget to tag us on Instagram @gemeriahair. I can't wait to see you all rock this hairstyle. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Love ya.